Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the No Photos Available error in iPhone widgets. Let's get started. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap on iCloud, then select Photos. Here, make sure Sync this iPhone is turned on. If it's already enabled, toggle it off, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes your iCloud photo sync. If that doesn't work, here's the second method. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Photos. Now, enable Shared Albums by toggling it on, then turn on Show Hidden Album as well. Tap on Mobile Data and enable Mobile Data for photos. This ensures your photo widget can access all your images. Now, go back to your home screen and check your photo widget. Your photos should now be displaying correctly. That's how you fix the No Photos Available error in iPhone widgets. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.